These plans are suitable for properties where multiple households share common spaces or for real estate investments. Here's a description of multifamily house plans. Multiple living units. The defining feature of multifamily house plans is that they include 2 or more separate living units. These units can range from apartments and condos to duplexes, triplexes, and larger buildings with multiple units. Variety of unit types. Multifamily plans can offer a variety of unit types to cater to different needs. These may include 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, or larger apartments or condos. Some designs even feature mixed-use buildings with residential units above commercial spaces. Private entrances. Each living unit typically has its own private entrance, ensuring residents have their own personal space and privacy. Shared common areas. In addition to private units, multifamily plans include shared common areas. Common spaces may include hallways, stairwells, lobbies, and outdoor areas like patios, balconies, or gardens. Parking and garages. Multifamily house plans often include designated parking areas or garages for residents, providing convenience and security for vehicle storage. Efficient use of space. These plans are designed to maximize the efficient use of available space, making them suitable for densely populated urban or suburban areas. Amenities. Some multifamily buildings offer amenities like fitness centers, swimming pools, communal lounges, or rooftop gardens to enhance the quality of life for residents. Architectural styles. Multifamily house plans can encompass a wide range of architectural styles, from modern and contemporary designs to more traditional or historic aesthetics. Income properties. Many multifamily house plans are designed with real estate investment in mind. These properties can provide rental income for owners or investors. Sustainable features. Some multifamily buildings incorporate sustainable and energy-efficient design elements, such as green roofs, solar panels, and energy-efficient appliances. Building regulations. Multifamily house plans must comply with local building codes and zoning regulations, which may dictate the density, height, and design of the structure.